This is the new Ulanzi phone holder, MT85. So upgrade from the MT84, of course. So, same features kung tutusin with upgraded stuff in it. So ano yung upgraded niya? Unang-una is this. So, mabilis na siya mag-open. And, apat na rin yung paa niya. Compared sa MT84 na you need to pry it open para magbukas. And, tatlo lang ito compared sa apat. However, wait, let's measure yung haba. I think mas mahaba itong sa MT84. So, what are the similarities? MagSafe. It extends then. And it has this remote control. And aside from this one, automatic na siya na nag-open. Yung remote niya, how to use this or remove this is you pull it down and then open. So, you to put it back, push up. So may locking mechanism na siya. Unlike dito sa 84, you need to just pull it out. Pagka nalaglag to, which nalalaglag ko siya, tumatalsik to. So tapos eventually hahanapin mo para ibalik. So hindi ko pa naman nalalaglag to. This is new, kararating lang actually. So I don't know if tatalsik dito pagka nalaglag ko siya. There are two colors of this, white and black. So I tried yung white naman. Although alam ko na magiging mas madumihin siya. And pagka nalaglag, it will, yung scuffs and dirt mas pansinin dito compared dun sa black. Difference din niya is the type of MagSafe. As you can see, may naka-emboss ito. Compare dito, it's totally flat. At the same time is yung kanyang what do you call this? Stem here is ganyan kanipis. Compared dito, stem niya is ganyan kakapal. And this one, umiikot din siya. So, this one turns. So, depende kung paano mo siya gagamitin. Yan. So, it's good. Very sturdy. This one, however, well, I like this one too. Kaya lang, ang inaalala ko lang dito is, pagka lumuwag to, this one, paano na? Baka lumuwag eh. Kasi ito, there was a time na lumuwag din to. So, bumababa na siya. Kaso, mas madali siyang ayusin dahil screw type. As you can see, it is screw type siya. So, yeah. Allen wrench lang, then masikip na ulit. And at the same time, if ever eto man yung lumuwag, there are parang nakatakip lang na madali mo siyang i-pry open. Well, I don't know if madali. Probably medyo mahirap. And you screw it up again para sumikip. Dito wala. So hindi ko alam kung hopefully hindi lumuwag. Hindi siya mag-wear and tear. Yon. Hindi nga lang din to umiikot kasi if you want to use on the other side, just maybe do this. Ayan, ganyan. You use like that. So ito naman para lang tumaas. So there you go. And yan, ngayon dahil bago pa, masikip pa lahat. And ito yung same with this one, nasisikipan. So ito rin siya, nasisikipan siya, but I don't use it. Miski dito, hindi ko siya ginagamit, hindi ko makailangan sikipan. I just want kasi yung mabilis mag-open. Yan yung gusto ko. Yung mabilis mag-open. And to use it like so. Now, for some reason, halos mas yung weight nila is hindi masyado nagkakalayo, but this is a bit more heavier. Tapos, even though apat ang paa nito, once na pinakamahaba niya, mas mataas pala to ng konti. Probably this height ang taas niya. Sa pinakamahaba niya, when you place your camera, especially pagka yung may charger, yung MagSafe charger na sinasama mo or kinakabit mo dito, wobbly siya. Kahit apat ang paa. I don't know why. So, yun lang ang aking negative side dito. Is pagka sobrang taas na, yung pinakamataas niya, using even just the phone without the battery charger, when you do this, para siyang tutumbang gano'n. Parang gaganon. Mabigat on this side. So, I guess you just need to have the camera on this position. If you place it here, masyado na siyang leaning forward. There's a tendency na konting ganun lang, it feels na tutumba. However, dito, pagka sa pinakamahaba niya, no, wala siyang ganun. Mas matigas ito. Mas matigas yung stem niya compared dito pagka mataas na. So, yung stem niya is nagwa-wobble like that. Yun lang ang aking reklamo dito. Yun. But overall, I like the part na automatic na nag-o-open na siya. Oh! And at the same time is yung springs niya seems so sensitive. So be careful kasi ang nipis ng spring niya. So ingatan lang na maputol siya. Yun lang naman. Sana tumagal at hindi maputol. Ang similarities din nitong dalawa for the remotes are battery niya is yung battery na tablet. Ang tableta ang itsura, gano'n. I would rather have yung USB na yung nata-charge. So, yung luma ko na bago ito. Oh, by the way, thank you to my student Colleen. She gave me this one. Sakto nung nasira ko yung other version ng phone holder ko, dahil naputol ko siya, she gave me this. So, thank you for this. And yun nga lang, yung dati ko is charging na yung you charge it lang, you plug it and then you charge. This one, you need to replace it talaga yung battery inside. Pareho sila. So, there you go. Yun lang naman. Oh, why did I choose white? Wala lang, para maiba. It's up to you. Like I said, dumihin, mas prone to scratches and all, but I would think I would like the wear and tear look na nagagamit ko siya. Yun lang naman. So, there you go. Hopefully, it's an in-depth review of the MT85.